How to get best Carhartt discount promo codes. Need durable workwear but don't want to pay full price? Carhartt promo codes can save you up to 50%. And here's how to find and use them. Active deals include 25% off store-wide, up to 50% off winter sale items with free shipping and free shipping on orders over $125. Special discounts are also available for military, nurses, government, and frontline workers. You can find verified codes on Carhartt's official site, coupon platforms like Retail Me Not and We Thrift, and through email sign-ups. Cashback extensions also apply codes automatically and give up to 5% back. At checkout, enter the promo code in the discount box. Codes apply best to jacket, coats, overalls, and clearance items, so always test codes before relying on them. Carhartt promo codes are a reliable way to save. Stick to verified sources, apply them at checkout, and enjoy durable workwear for less. And that is how to get the best Carhartt discount promo codes.